we're back at it. Hopefully today I get everything in the engine bay the way that I want it before the engine gets to go in. I'm, you know, putting little grounds here and there for little stuff. I found little clips that Painless has. It's a zip tie clip. Getting the brakes in. We still have, you know, the other hood latch or hood hinge. What is it? The windshield wiper motor. You know, little squirters and stuff. A lot of tedious little things, but I want to try to get, like I said last time, I want to try to get everything in I can before we actually put the engine in. That way, engine goes in, wire harness goes on, we're done with this part of it. So we'll see how it goes. I will say also, we picked a mechanic, so hopefully he works out. He's not, you know, it's not like he was sitting on his thumbs waiting to come here. So when he's all done with his other job and everything's sorted out, he'll be here. And then I'll be able to focus more on this. Fred, I don't know if you guys know, but Fred actually isn't taking on any more paint jobs. He also decided that renting the booth isn't going to be happening for some time in the future. Essentially, we're booked out until April or May next year. So we're busy with paint. As for mechanic work, we're still, you know, we have scheduling and booking and stuff like that, but with the new mechanic, we can always have more. And it's easier to have a mechanic that knows what he's doing than trust a body man that knows what he's doing from some, you know, just talking to him. Every body man thinks he's the best person in the world. So yeah, we'll be able to focus on more videos, which is our goal, because we like doing this, you guys like it. I like doing this. So hopefully, you know, there's a bright light at the end of the tunnel. Just cleaning this thing up. I'm gonna pressure wash it, but I figured I'd do the little machine surfaces with our trick. If you want to see or have this trick explained, watch one of our other videos. But yeah, I just want to get this cleaned up so I can tape it, and the tape will stick really well. And then we're gonna pressure wash this whole thing, because as far as I can tell, I mean, I might be wrong, but the engine bay is ready. Yay. Yay. Hooray. Definitely gonna have to wash my hands after this. Oh, this stuff is so aggressive. I don't know if we've said it before, but easy off oven degreaser. Shit works better than any of that other stuff.
out here getting tetanus, boys. This is just a little daily. The guy was initially thinking about like doing a way bigger rust repair on this. His initial concern was like, I want to do this the right way. But then I was like, dude, like you got stuff like all the way down here, starting, right? And there's little areas in the back as well, way down here, right? So we could have stuff, you know, down under the rocker. And I was like, you know, you really want to pay for this? This car is like not worth that much money. And he was like, not really. So we're just kind of doing like an okay repair. So it'll just look good for a couple of years because that's all that the customer wants.
I'm feeling like black pepper today.
I saw this on the internet and we're pretty sure this is the route that we want to go on the repair on this. So let's see how it works.
Well, have you ever sold a car and then regretted it? I did. This is my old car. And after not having it for a while, I was like, I want another one. And so my current daily is, in my mind, a better version of this one, but my tastes haven't really changed much. I have like the same wheels on it. It's a different color red. It's lowered on coilovers. Other than this being a 2-liter and mine being a 2.5. But it's back here because I do the maintenance on it and it needs some love. So who better to take care of it than the one that never wanted to sell it? And that's actually true. I never wanted to sell this thing. It's a whole story, but yeah. Remember how I just said this used to be my old car? Well, I got it with like 150,000 miles on it. Apparently the water pump was done before I got it, and whoever put it on, I'm guessing used like JB Weld or something. Because yeah, I've been at this for like an hour with an air chisel, and you know, I've taken off way more than I have to do a water pump, so on and so forth. And just because of who I am and how I just want to make sure I'm not going insane, I have the old 2-liter from my Miata, the one outside, the ugly one that's covered in rain shit, over there in the corner. I took the water pump off just to see what I was fucking up. And literally all the same 6 bolts that hold it on with the pulley, took that off and it went out. Perfect. No problem. So, the fuck is holding that in? Come on. All right. Sorry. You in my way. All right. Oh my God. Was it just crust that was holding that thing on? Well, I mean, you saw how hard it had to go with that. You know, it was probably that far out by the time we started recording. And I'd broken both these ears off trying to pry it. Yeah, I'm gonna say this was bad. Maybe it's never been done. I don't fucking know. This is horrible.
While Fred is working on the Subaru, I am trying to help him out a bit by doing some color sanding on the Porsche that he painted a few weeks ago. So even though this finish is nice and smooth and flat, it's not really show car finish. So what we're trying to do for this guy is we're sanding it down smooth, and as you can see here, this I just started sanding. It's not as smooth as it appears to be, even though this looks very nice and is a normal finish for any car. If we're going to make a show car finish out of it, we got to sand this down flat like this over here. So it's pretty strange to kind of see that it really does have a bunch of bumps and grooves and stuff like that in it. So a little bit of sanding with 1500 to start with. We'll get it all prepped out and get it ready for polish. Got a local pool company with 2 trucks that are swapping the utility beds from one truck to the other. They've been here, about 4 or 5 hours, and they'll get one done today, but they're probably going to come back tomorrow to finish this guy up.
We hired somebody.
And then we didn't hire them. No,
Look, check it out. He's right there.
I quit.
Drinking on the job on the first day.
Things haven't changed much.
Yeah, he got hired and fired a long time ago. Yeah, we're not gonna hire anybody. Tucson sucks.
Well, we did pick people, right? And essentially both people that we liked to have here had other reasons to not. So I won't get into the other reasons, but I'm fine with them. And if we go under, we go under.
This is our last video, guys. Thanks for tuning in.
No, we're I don't know. We're gonna just stick it out for a little bit longer with just the 3 of us. Steve, obviously, not only doing
2.5.
you're more than a half, dude. 2.66, right? But he's definitely helpful, and we're going to I don't know, try to focus more on mechanic work for a little bit to get me caught up, because I mean Fred's a little behind, but I'm a lot behind. He just likes staring at people. I can't fix him. I can fix a car.
Shut up.
At least I remember to
ruining it.
clip stuff on.
You're ruining it.
How? Your stare?
Yeah.
Your stare's horrible.
It's only funny because I'm not narrating the stare, and then you gotta go and say shit.
I gotta point shit out. You just want to be the awkward thing in the corner? That's your whole goal?
Yeah. That's the only way it's funny.
Yeah, but I don't want it to be funny.
It's not funny. Now everyone's cringing.
That's the whole point.
If you guys cringe from that, leave a comment below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe for more.
Also, I just want to clarify one thing. You guys have never seen me and Fred actually be mad at each other. You might in the future. You'll have to stay tuned. But
We're going for a West Coast Choppers vibe.
yeah, the only thing is, me and Fred don't throw things.
Mm.
Well, you throw tape balls. That don't count. Those people throw chairs.
Yeah, I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good with the oh god.
Sometimes.
Yellow wire gripping plier.
Wire gripping plier. Oh, for like butt connectors and shit?
It's weird. I don't know why I can't get that.
Oh. Yeah, look like a butt connector, right? Yeah. All right, I gotta go work.
I'm gonna finish this. Shout out Tropical Smoothie. If you guys want to sponsor us, send us an email. The information is below. And yeah.